Do you currently live in a space that you can't leave but you want to change? What if I told you there are a few ways you can change your space without moving out? Today I'm going to be talking to you about a design strategy called. Hi, I'm Dr. Olande. We're going to be talking about adaptation in interior design using the 5 steps that you can implement in your home. These 5 steps will help in creating a space that aligns with your changing needs. Adaptation in interior design focuses on creating spaces that responds to the changing needs. This means your lifestyle and personal taste. Using furniture designed for multiple purposes and uses helps maximize space and accommodates various activities within the same area. In small spaces, you can consider foldable desks, sofa bed, extendable dining table, or ottomans with storage, or Murphy beds that can transform a room from a living space area to a bedroom. Here are a few examples. The Carlton Room Divider, challenging conventional furniture forms with its vibrant colors and playful design. The iconic piece of the Memphis group, Room Divider, bookcase, and chest of drawers. Stossas created what you could call large laminate sculptures or superboxes. Another popular work by Stossas is the Ultra Fagola. The Ultra Fagola serves as both a functional mirror and an ambient source of light, making it a highly sought after collectible and a statement piece in interior design. I'm sure you've seen this all around Instagram. Next is the Casina Superleggera woven chair by Gio Ponti. This was designed in 1957. This chair took the designer years to perfect, so it weighs a minimum weight of just 1,700 grams. Superleggera chair challenges traditional ornate furniture by emphasizing minimalism and mobility. While it may not integrate like obvious other furniture pieces, the fact that it's this lightweight makes it easily accessible and adaptable to various uses. And it was quite iconic in its own time. Designed in 1991, the Laputa bed by Shiro Kiramata offers a unique sleeping arrangement. There are 2 individuals that can sleep with their feet or heads pointing towards each other. It's an innovative approach to furniture design that plays in the relationship between form and function by challenging conventional designs. Next is the table with wheels. It was a reimagined factory trolley wooden shelf with wheels on it. And in this design, a thick sheet of beveled glass is used to replace the wooden shelf. Modular furniture and layouts allow components to be rearranged and reconfigured easily. You can use modular shelving units, stackable chairs, and sectionals because these pieces can be moved or expanded as needed, allowing your home to adapt to your needs as your lifestyle evolves. Here we have units by Joe Colombo. Joe Colombo's designs epitomize the postmodernist ethos with their bold, functional forms. The unit storage system consists of stackable and interchangeable modules. So these have integrated handles and drawers in them. This one piece of furniture basically can house so many things and you can use it for different things and you can move it around. It was designed in the 1960s. It is an early example of modular furniture included in modern living and workspaces. Next is the Parton, created in 1966 by Italian designer Gorpo Stottum. The sofa was inspired by the natural world and designed to resemble large patches of grass, complete with irregular shapes, which are the blades of the grass, and these will serve as the seating and the backrest. So you see it on the grass, so it's the back seat and the backrest and the seat itself. After these were released, it was one out of many challenging traditional forms of furniture design by encouraging playful interaction. Also, I saw a resurgence of this on the internet when Pharrell Williams was using one of them. Next is Tufty Time by Patricia Unicola. Was designed in 2005. This sofa is a modular system that allows for various configurations, including traditional sofas, shies, and corner composition. Its design emphasizes comfort and versatility, making it a centerpiece in modern living spaces. I'm sure you've seen a resurgence of this type of furniture. If you haven't, I'm going to just show you a few more examples. A neutral color palette and timeless furniture serve as a base that can be easily updated with accessories and accents. You can start with neutral walls, classic flooring, and versatile furniture. Then you can incorporate things like throw pillows, rugs, and wall art that can be changed seasonally or as your preference changes. We're going to be looking at the LC modular sofa. The L2 is renowned for its clean lines and geometric forms, emphasizing function over ornamentation. Its modular sections allow for versatile configurations to suit various spaces. So the neutral base here is typically upholstered in neutral tones such as grey, black, or beige, and these are complemented by a chrome steel plate that underscores its simplicity. Next is the Worsley chair by Marcel Bervu. It was originally designed in 1925. The Worsley chair has continuously adapted to modern interiors, blending functionality with a minimalist aesthetic. Its tubular steel frame, inspired by bicycle construction, is timeless, and it fits seamlessly in postmodern and contemporary designs. It harmonizes with various color palettes and spaces. Next is the Panatova modular seating by Verna Panton. Patonova is distinguished by its sinuous sculptural forms that can be arranged in curves, circles, or linear configurations, blending aesthetics with functionality. Flexible room functions. Rooms should be designed to serve multiple purposes, especially in smaller homes. You can use dividers or furniture placement to zone open plan spaces into functional areas, such as living room, dining, hybrid. Create a workspace in a corner with a foldable desk and chair, or transform a guest room into a dual-purpose home office with a daybed. The Ghost Chair by Philippe Starck. Originally designed as a dining chair, the Ghost Chair by Philippe is a postmodern icon that can seamlessly adapt to multiple room functions due to its transparency and lightweight design. The chair is made out of a transparent polycarbonate material. You can use it as a desk chair in a home office or as a decorative accent chair in a bedroom. Its ability to disappear visually allows it to work across diverse interiors without overwhelming the space. Alvar Aalto's T-Trolley 900 incorporates bent birch wood and rattan with a timeless design that aligns with postmodern sensibilities of form meeting function. It's typically used as a serving cart for tea or cocktails in a dining or living room area, or as a bedside table in a bedroom. As a mobile storage solution for books, plants, or decor in most functional spaces. Its wheels and adaptable size make it an ideal candidate for changing needs, while the use of the wood brings warmth to any room. Sustainable adaptation. Adapting interiors with sustainability in mind ensures minimal waste and long-term usability. You can repurpose furniture, such as turning an old dresser into a vanity or using reclaimed wood for shelving. Incorporating adaptable materials like removable wallpaper or peel and stick tiles for easy updates without significant renovations. The Wiggle Chair by Frank Gehry. Gehry used corrugated cardboard, which is an unconventional and recycled material, to create this sculptural and functional chair. The design reflects postmodernist ideals of breaking away from traditional forms and embracing everyday materials. By repurposing industrial waste, Gehry demonstrated the potential for sustainability in high design. Shiro Kurumata's How High the Moon Chair is similar to Kurumata's furniture and interiors. It conveys a spiritual dimension to design by using industrial materials to create weightlessness and transparency. This armchair, created entirely from a single material, recalls comfortable Victorian armchairs, but it transforms this traditional design into a new aesthetic by dematerializing the form. Bookshelf by Ron Arad explores stainless steel and other recyclable materials in this well-tempered collection. In this collection, there are chairs and, in this case, a bookshelf, which uses minimal materials and are designed for durability and because of its recyclability. Constructs aesthetics typical of postmodernism. It questions conventional forms of furniture while addressing sustainability through long-lasting material choices. By incorporating adaptable strategies, individuals can create dynamic, functional, and beautiful living spaces that evolve alongside their needs. Thanks for joining me today. If you have any favorites or you want to share how you've styled pieces, if you have any of these pieces in your home or have something similar, please share it with our community by dropping a comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more design inspirations. See you in our next video.